Hi everybody. So my parcel came in the mail for my birthday present, and so I was just going to have a look at them. So I got this helping hands, which I already opened up. Like some of them I already opened up because I was so excited. And that's like a thing for holding stuff while you're working, because this is for building the escape robot from L&Co, and also for playing with the Arduino, which I got. Now this stuff was pretty cheap because I got it from an online store in Canada, so that was good. This one I also already opened because I couldn't help myself, and that's the Spark Fun Inventors Kit, and that will be good fun, I think. So that'll teach me everything I need to know, I think, about like some of the parts for setting up an Arduino. And this is the Arduino. It's super small. I was pretty shocked when I opened it up. It was so small and so weird looking. And that's it there. That's kind of cute, isn't it? Oh, there you go. It's a bit hard to see. My battery's almost out on this. I'm going to have to charge it before I do the building of the escape robot. Anyway, that's the Arduino. It's tiny, isn't it? And put that away. There we go. And this kit comes with a whole bunch of stuff. So you get a bunch of resistors, more resistors. Comes with a bunch of little flash cards so help you set up the electronics. Comes with a bunch of LEDs and a servo arm, a bunch of different servo arms. So you program the Arduino to move the servo arm. And this little bag of goodies has got like a whole bunch of stuff. It's got like a motor, pressure thingy, so it registers, it takes inputs on the amount of pressure that you put on it. I think that's the pressure one, or is that the flex one? Oh, that's the flex one. So this one's the pressure one, and this one's the flex one. So that's the inputs going from the Arduino into the Arduino based on like how much this, well, probably on pressure as well, but like on the flex of the band. There's a multicolored, a red, green, blue, multicolored LED there. Pardon, yellow, red, green. There's a switch. Oh wait, that's, yeah. There's the dial, and it's this thing here can measure, like, you can use it to measure battery strength. So it'll tell you when your battery's low on stuff if you when you set it up. And that looks like a resistor, not a resistor, a capacitor. So yeah, there's a lot of, I wonder what that is. Yeah, there's a lot of little weird stuff in here. There's this thing, I don't know what that is. There's a lot of things in here and a whole bunch of wires to help connect it up, because that all you connect it up from the Arduino to this plastic breadboard. I've already played a little bit with it. There's some things stuck in there. Like I've said before, this is the first time I've done anything like this. And some more resistors. So I'm going to be, it's pretty much starting from scratch. I don't think it's ever too late to learn something new. In fact, I love learning new things. So I'm really looking forward to getting stuck into that. And posting my experiments on the YouTube channel. So I can go over there. And the final thing I got. Was this. It's the L&Co Escape Robot. I haven't opened this one yet. Now, it said on the side that this is a beginner's robot. I think that's a bit of a lie, because you have to build the board from scratch. So there's its face, body, cap thing. Comes with two different types of legs. You got the the walkie legs, so actual legs which move, and you've got these suctiony cuppy looking things which are just plastic, but they're the wheels. And the videos I've seen of them, I think the wheels are probably the best ones. The legs look a little weird and it doesn't move as well, I don't think. That's for building the motor. It's got two motors, a bunch of gears, which makes everything move, so that'll be fun to put together. And then this whole thing, this is the board, this is the brain. This is the brain of the Escape Robot, and as you can see, there's nothing on it. You have to solder everything in yourself, and this will be the first time I've ever soldered, so I hope I don't totally stuff it up, but I'm going to take it slowly, and we'll see how we go. It did say beginners. I think it's a rather ambitious first project for a beginner, so but I like to push myself, and if you do things that are below your level, I think it's not as enjoyable and you won't learn anything really. So I've tried something, it's still said beginner's level, but I think it's probably at the top tier of beginner stuff, I reckon. Soldering all this in yourself. So that's what I'll be doing. Oh, and these things, they're like, how's the wires and stuff. There's a picture of it there. Sorry with the camera being on a bit of an angle, but yeah, I'm using a real camera to film this because I don't want to do it next to the computer. I got to do it in a spare room because soldering will make fumes and I don't want to do that around the bubba. So I'm doing it in a different room with a nice open window on a little bench. So that's pretty much that. I am going to put this away. That'll be my, I'll put that box there. That can go away for now. Oh, I also got these. They're little breadboards so that when I've put the Escape Robot together, after that, and after playing with the Arduino experiment kit, then I can start experimenting on my own and I can use that breadboard to make other things. That was the idea anyway that I had. Plus they were super cheap. It was like $1 or something. And this actually, the escape robot is actually pretty cheap in itself. Like, I think it only costs $25, which I think for something that the idea is that it's pre-programmed, so there's no program involved. It's just putting the circuits together. So that's good practice for me. Whereas the Arduino will give me programming practice. But the idea of this thing is that it will it drives around, and it has infrared sensors here and here and here, and it's supposed to stop before it hits something, turn around and go the other way. So hopefully we put it all together properly. I'll have to make sure I got some of these batteries in. Are they AAA or AA? No, I'm sure I have some either way. I've got tons of batteries lying around. So that's pretty much, this is my project for probably the weekend or the next couple of weeks, depending on how long it takes. Anyway, that's it for me. I'm looking forward to putting it together, and I will share it with you as I put it together, and then the final product, doing a little test drive and that sort of thing. So that'll be awesome fun. Good fun. Alright. Bye bye.